Hi, hello, welcome to our Kavi's Farmer Topic channel. Today we are going to see about the communication skill subject. Okay, in communication skill you have 11 chapters. Last video you seen first chapter. Today we see second chapter. Okay, for second chapter you have 14 important questions. Okay, so let's we see one by one. It is important questions asked in second chapter, so I think it's useful for all students. Second chapter, barrier to communication. In this you have to lot of topics to study. First, introductions to barrier to communication, physiological barrier, physical barriers or distraction, cultural barrier, language barrier, gender barrier, interpersonal barrier, physiological or emotional barrier, organizational barrier, personal barrier, physio-psychological barrier, last one technological barrier. Okay, let's see one by one of second chapter questions. Okay, first question, introduction for barrier to communications. Okay, you want to define barrier communications. Okay, then the questions may ask what is the mean by barrier in communication. Second question, types of barrier to communications. You want to write types of barrier: physiological barrier, physical barrier, cultural barrier, language barrier, gender barrier, interpersonal barrier, psychological or emotional barrier, organizational barrier, personal barrier, physio-psychological barrier, technological barrier. Okay, the questions may ask another way: list and explains in brief barrier to effective technical communications. Okay, you want to give answer introduction for barrier to communications and also types of barrier. Then third questions, what are psychological barrier, list its types and explain in short. Okay, first you want to define physiological barrier, then types of physiological barrier: vision impairment, hearing impairment, speech disorder, last one memory. Okay, then fourth question, write a note on physical barrier or distraction of communications. Okay, you want to give the answer. Then last, write or cultural barrier to communications. You want to write language, traits of person and behavior differences. Then sixth question, write a note on language barrier. In language barrier you want to define different languages, words, pictures, actions, poor vocabulary or limited vocabulary. In what are interpersonal barrier, discussion short. You want to write definition of interpersonal barrier, then effective communication you want to write, then negative aspect, limited vocabulary, varied perception, differencing background, wrong interferences, blocked categories and categorical thinking. Okay, then write a note on psychological and emotional barrier. Okay, you want to write a note on this barrier and also write types of psychological and emotional barrier: lack of attention, poor retention, lack of trust in the management, failure to communicate, different perception, closed mind and filtering nature. Then what are organizational barrier, discuss them in short. Okay, you want to write organizational barrier introduction and the main organizational barrier are as follows: there are too many transfer station, fear of superior, negative tendency, use of inappropriate media. Okay, these are the organizational barrier. Next, 12th question, what are personal barrier, explain in short. You want to write barrier posed by superior attitude, barrier posed by subordinate. You want to write two headings: barrier posed by superior and barrier posted by subordinate. Okay, then 13th question, what are socio psychological barrier. You want to give the following types: personal attitude, close mindedness, status consciousness. Then last final one, 14th question, write a note on technological barrier to communications. You want to write the what is technological barrier to communications: lack of technological knowledge and technical noise. Okay, also write strategies for overcoming barrier.